2018 Subaru WRX STI. The 2018 Subaru WRX STI is powered by a 306 horsepower, 290 pounds-foot 2.5-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine. Symmetrical all-wheel drive and a close-ratio 6-speed manual transmission are standard. It offers very strong performance and excellent grip and handling abilities at the limit, but a noisy cabin and very firm ride mark it down against the more rounded opposition. Standard equipment includes LED headlights, heated front seats and 7.0-inch infotainment system with rear-view camera. The top premium trim adds navigation, sunroof and safety items such as blind spot detection and rear cross-traffic alert. Updated brakes and a fully electronically controlled all-wheel drive system are new for 2018. The WRX STI has been the range-topping performance sedan in Subaru's range for decades. It offers a rally-bred driving experience for the road, although similarly competenter and more refined competitors have necessitated the 2018 model to introduce a revised front end and some refinements such as thicker glass and better insulation to broaden its appeal. Don't worry though, this is still one of the most visceral performance sedans on the road today, and other changes include a fully electronically controlled all-wheel drive system and upgraded braking system. The interior may seem less polished than some of the latest competitors, but the simplicity of the design and decent quality buttons and switchgear fit in with the no-nonsense character of the WRX STI. The front seats are just about perfect for fast driving requirements and offer good comfort too for longer journeys. Rear seats are decent too, and tall adults should not have much to complain about. The trunk offers decent storage space, and the split folding rear seats further add to the cargo carrying capacity. The WRX offers a very sporty and focused driving experience, but the STI turns the dial up to 11 when it comes to handling and road holding. All aspects of the drivetrain have been optimized to get the most out of the turbocharged engine around the right and twisty road. The grip levels are class-leading in practically any road conditions, and the short gearing and forceful power delivery make the STI a truly engaging sports sedan to drive at the limit. The 2018 WRX STI is fitted with a 305 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-4 engine. It channels its prodigious 290 pounds-foot of torque to all four wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission. No fancy dual clutch option here, and while that may hurt its off-the-line acceleration times, the focus and precision required of the driver when pressing on is what this STI is all about. The WRX STI comes in two trim levels. The base WRX STI trim is equipped with 19-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, heated front seats, leather interior, STI-styled instruments with multifunction color display, brake assist, 7-inch infotainment system with smartphone integration and rear-view camera.